Let me tell you about mise and plas. Mise and plas literally means all in place, everything in place. It's French, and it is more than just a method for gathering all of your ingredients, which is essentially what it means in a kitchen environment. It becomes a way of life, being prepared, having backups, because as we always know, when you're cooking, anything can happen, and usually does. So mise en place means getting everything prepared, everything ready in front of you within easy reach before you even begin a recipe. It's the easiest way to flow through a recipe. So you read your entire recipe, you make sure every ingredient is there and available to you before you even begin. That way, as you're walking through and the butter is starting to burn and everything is starting to sizzle, you're ready. You're ready to just put it all in the pan and move through it quick. Mise en place.